Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your OKX account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in okx.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official OKX website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into your login page. Simply click on email and sub account or your phone number and you can proceed with typing your email address or your phone number. Tap on the next button and now you will be asked to enter your password. You can tap on the forgot your password button in order to reset your password. Then you can use either your email or your phone in order to authenticate your account. Just type in the email address or the phone number that you used for sign up and click on get authentication code. You will then be told to check your inbox. So log into your email account and you will find an email from OKX. Just open this email and you will find the confirmation or the verification code. Just copy this code and enter it in the verification box and then tap on the next button. You will then also need to enter the code that has been sent to your phone. So just check your phone and you will receive the verification code in your SMS. You can also click on resend code or call me instead if you don't find your code. Once you enter the verification code within the box, you can tap on the next button and you will be allowed to create your new password. Just type in your desired new password and click on the reset button and your password will successfully be changed. Once your password has been changed, you can use this new password along with your original email address or phone number and click on the login button to access your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your OKX account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.